easy one. Good question.
Thank you. Okay, so ALTC 24 is coming up. Who's done their homework? It's 1 point per correct answer, and the other person gets a chance if you don't get it. Are you ready?
Yeah.
What does ALTC stand for?
Association for Learning Technologists Conference.
Where is ALTC being held this year?
It is being held at the Radisson Hotel at Manchester Airport.
Name 3 things Manchester is famous for.
For Manchester United Football Club, Manchester City Football Club. There's the BBC studios in Salford.
Name 3 famous people from Manchester.
I can name bands, so Stone Roses and Oasis, which is definitely more than 3 people, but those
Very good. What dates does ALTC run from this year?
The 3rd to the 5th of September.
What's the theme of ALTC this year?
Doing, reflecting, improving and collaborating.
Who is the keynote speaker this year?
It is Chris Friend.
What is he talking about?
Humane education.
Who's the headline sponsor?
It was Inspira last year.
It's anthology.
When is the awards night dinner?
On the Thursday evening.
I'm afraid not.
Oh.
Ethan?
That would make it the Wednesday evening.
Correct. What is the prize in the interactive ALTC quiz this year?
It is a free ticket to next year's conference.
Can you name 2 of ALT's values?
Yeah, openness and collaboration.
Independence and participation.
What student response system is being used for the interaction at this year's conference?
Using Vevox.
Have you got any conference tips for us?
Yeah, so I think what I learned last year is just chat to anyone, and if you're doing a presentation, then make sure you use Vevox to make it more engaging.
Be the one to start the conversation. There's lots of great people there, so make sure you get involved and have lots of good chats.
And the scores are in, and the winner is Ethan!
Yeah.